out doing something with a dude who ain't nothing, and I know that you wishing you was with me. I'm down here cooking recipes, just chilling out with celebrities, all cause he got them good melodies.